everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have the YouTubers Nail Art Weekly Stampings Collabs. This week the theme is unicorns and I'm actually hosting it. So this nail design I actually did for the Indie Expo, so you've probably already kind of seen it a little bit before. But yeah, so I will have everybody's pictures at the very end of the video as well. I will have all their links down below, so be sure to check out everyone. They always do an amazing job. So I'm going to go ahead and get straight into the video. So first off, I'm going to be using Bio Seaweed Gel. I'm using the stronger base one and then the no weight top coat. So I've put the base already and the top coat on my nails. And then the color that I'm using is 58 Peony, also from Bio Seaweed Gel. So I'm going to be trying that out today. So that's what my nails look like. And then I also have this Beauty Big Bang powder. This is J2831. It's kind of like an Aurora unicorny powder. So that is what my nails are starting like. So I didn't want to do that on camera because it takes a while. And then I'm going to be using this Moyou London Hipster Collection 22 stamping plate. So it's the unicorn one I got in my mani box a little bit ago. And then I'm also going to be using one of the images from the Bundle Monster Kelly Marissa, and this is BMXL213. And as well, I picked up some things from the States, so you might have seen my picture on Instagram. I'm going to be using this Queen Cosmetic Stamper. This is the transparent stamper set. I purchased this at Walmart in the States, so I'm going to be using that today, and I'm going to probably use some other stampers as well. I'm going to be doing some advanced stamping. So I'm going to be using the Born Pretty Store black stamping polish. And then I'm going to be using Sally Hansen's Insta-Dry in white to fill in some of my stamping. Then I'm going to be using some of those Etsy transparent colors I showed a little bit ago in one of my last videos. I'm going to be using pen and ink. Then I'm going to be using No Shrinking Violet, Point of Blue, Love Sheen, and Muse Myself. And then I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild to kind of do some stamping. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get into the video because I don't want this to be super long. And I'm going to be not talking for this part. I'm going to speed it up a little bit. So I will see you at the end of the video. the 3 stamps on. I did this one on my pinky just because it's kind of harder for me to do it on camera. So I'm just going to show you the last one. So I'm just going to place this one on the middle finger, and I'm using the Queen stamper, and I'm just going to basically squish down and get to like place all the way, and then slowly pull it up. If I can get it to work. This is why I didn't want to do it on camera. And then if it doesn't like flatten down, just flatten the edges. I'm always worse doing this on camera. And then just any edges kind of pull off. And if you can't get it off the very edge, what I do is I just take a file and just lightly file it, and it will just come like right off. So you have like no excess there. And then just making everything smooth. And then I take like a toothpick or whatever and just kind of get the edges. And then just making sure around the edges is clean. You can always use like a pen or something like that to clean as well. I have this pen that I got from Beauty Big Bang, so I'm just gonna kind of go around the edges. It is a nail polish remover pen that you just dip in to nail polish remover, and then it works. It actually worked really well for this, so yeah. So now I'm just gonna top coat, and then we'll be all done. And that's the finished design. So I hope you liked my indie nail design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.